Want to earn using free Google AI tools? Here's how to make money with Notebooklm in 2025, step by step. Step 1. Go to Notebooklm-Google's AI-powered research and content assistant. It lets you upload PDFs, docs, or links and interact with them like a chatbot. Step 2. Pick a service niche, like report writing, academic research, content creation, or proposal drafting. Step 3. Upload client documents, like business plans, case studies, or research material. Use Notebooklm to summarize, analyze, or rewrite content instantly. Step 4. Monetize by offering content summarization or rewriting services, creating custom reports or cheat sheets for students and professionals, packaging insights from long documents into newsletters, blog posts, or LinkedIn content, ghostwriting proposals, or thought leadership articles. Step 5. Highlight your speed and depth. Notebooklm helps you extract key points in minutes. Step 6. Promote your service as AI-assisted but human-delivered. Faster results, still personalized. It's free, smart, and fast. Notebooklm is your secret weapon to turn words into money in 2025.